Matthew Jason Guy is an Australian politician. He has been a Liberal Party of Australia member of the Parliament of Victoria since 2006, representing Northern Metropolitan Region in the Legislative Council and Bulleen in the Legislative Assembly. He was Leader of the Opposition in Victoria and State Leader of the Liberal Party from 2014 to 2018, when he resigned the leadership after the Liberal Party's landslide defeat in the 2018 Victorian election. Since 7 September 2021, Guy has again served as Leader of the Opposition and Leader of the Liberal Party in Victoria. Guy is married with 3 children. He is of Ukrainian descent. His maternal grandparents left the Soviet Union in 1949. He has a Bachelor of Arts in Politics and History from La Trobe University and has completed postgraduate studies in Ukrainian language and culture at Monash University. Guy has said he was not ashamed to say he is a Christian. Prior to entering Parliament, Matthew Guy was a ministerial advisor to Liberal Premier Jeff Kennett and to the Assistant Federal Treasurer, Senator Rod Kemp. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.